Hey there! So, let's dive into this interesting problem we have at hand. We're looking to automate the calculation of population estimates based on two past depletion methods commonly used in fisheries. The equation we're working with is n equals C1, caret 2 C1 C2, where n is the population estimate, C1 is the number captured in the first sampling, and C2 is the number captured in the second sampling. We already have a summarized dataset with species and the number captured in each pass, and now we need to figure out how to calculate the population estimate for each species efficiently. Now, let's discuss the solution to our problem. The code provided uses the dplyr package to sort the dataset by species and pass captured, then calculates the population estimate for each species using the given equation. It then drops any rows where a population estimate cannot be calculated due to missing data. By running this script, we can obtain a table with the population estimate calculated for each species, which is exactly what we need. In summary, we've successfully tackled the problem of automating population estimates for different species based on summarized capture data. By using a combination of data manipulation and the provided equation, we were able to efficiently calculate these estimates. Remember, automation is key in tasks like these to save time and improve accuracy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Happy coding!